Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another Instagram account, right, in one device. So let's go into the Instagram, but before that, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram, okay? So there are many ways you can log in into, or you can just add another account. You get the first option I'm going to show you that on the bottom right side corner, this is profile icon, right? So click and hold. You have to just click and hold here, and this will open up, and you have to click on add account, right? And here you will Instagram will give you two options: log in into existing account and create new account. So you have to just click on log into existing account, and here you have to click on the switch account, which is on bottom left side corner, okay? And here you have to just enter the username, email or phone number, and after that the password, and you can log in, right? And let me show you another option here. So let's say if I want to show you another option, just click on the profile icon, which is on bottom right side corner. After that, you have to click on the top three lines, which is on top right side corner. Go to the settings, and on the bottom you can see that there is an option that is add or switch account. So click on add or switch account. Again, the same option will open here, and you have to do the same thing which I have told you earlier, right? So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.